Yes, how to rename a worksheet. Today I'll teach you how to rename a worksheet. For example, I have this one which is named as the sheet number 8. So to rename the sheet, right click, then after right clicking, select rename, save. The cell you want to rename will be highlighted, so write the name you want. For example, student name. Then click anywhere. Also, I want to rename this sheet, maybe student maths, maybe students maths. After that, click anywhere. Or student results. So this is how you can rename sheets. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more content videos. Share, comment, and like. See you in the next video.